Today we show how to buy shares of Cinclus Pharma Holding AB using the search phrase, "How to buy shares of Cinclus Pharma Holding AB" to find the stock. Cinclus is a pharmaceutical company focused on clinical development and related products, listed on CBOE EU under the ticker CINPHA.ST, and this clip is an educational guide, not financial advice. You need a broker to trade, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will typically need to verify your account, which usually requires a government ID, and you must add funds before placing a buy order. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker CINPHA.ST to find the listing. Review the search results carefully to locate the exact Cinclus Pharma Holding AB stock on CBOE EU. On the asset page, check the basic company profile and recent price chart to confirm this is the correct Cinclus Pharma Holding AB listing, and verify the exchange shows CBOE EU and the ticker CINPHA.ST. To place an order, tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order details and any fees, then confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio view. For convenience, the eToro link is in the video description if you want to see the example interface.